how to transfer $1 from Binance to Bitget account on PC. Now, in this case, you can't transfer $1 from your Binance, but you can transfer the coin that it seems like the equivalent of the dollar. In this case, it will be the USDC. Now, if you go to trade here and now click on the spot after you click on it, now just wait a few seconds because I will show you the example of that. Now, if you select the token here, as you can see, I will just close this window. Now click here to be able to change the token from here, as you can see. Now after that, you can now click on these, for example, in the search, just type USDC like that. As you can see, USDC is equivalent to $1 like that. So we will transfer USDC in that case to be able to transfer $1. So how to do that? Now go to home page and now head over to wallet and click on spot. And now here click on withdraw and now search for the USDC. Now click on it. After that, here select the network as the Bit20. Now to get the withdrawal address of the USDC from your Bitget, now go to your Bitget account and head over to wallet. Now click on deposit. Now from here search for the USDC that is equivalent to $1. After you click on it, as you can see, select the network as the Bit20 and now you are ready to copy the withdrawal address from here. Just click on OK and now go back to Binance and paste it here. After that, as you can see the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1 like that. And now as you can see, after that, click here on withdraw. And in a few seconds or a few minutes, you will be able to receive $1 to your Bitget account. So this is how to transfer $1 from Binance to Bitget account on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.